Hello, this is Margaret with Noble Desktop, and today I'll be reviewing specifically LUTs on the adjustment layer in Premiere Pro. So what is a LUT? A LUT stands for lookup table, and there are two different ways of achieving a LUT. The first way is under basic correction, input LUT. Now what the basic correction input LUTs are the LUTs that go with your camera. A very nice series of LUTs that you could add to your log footage. And this is going to bring out an assortment of qualities that work. Phantom Rec 709 Gamma is a common LUT. Let me just try that. This kind of washes it out, but people do like this LUT no matter what footage you're using. But essentially, this is where it's very specific for cameras. And you would browse and you could bring in your own LUT. If you did a search right now for free LUTs, you would get a ton of different LUTs that you could add to your your input LUTs. But if this were a creative LUT, not necessarily camera specific, I would put my LUTs under creative and I would call them looks. So here's a bunch of LUTs that are looks. Like this is a certain look, and then from here you could adjust it. There's some very nice LUTs in there. If you're looking for a retro look, you could definitely do pretty well and find some nice LUTs to give your film a very specific look. So LUTs in general are used with adjustment layers because you're not going to be putting it on one clip. You're definitely going to need an adjustment layer. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed learning how to use the adjustment layer with LUTs in Premiere Pro. This has been Margaret for Noble Desktop.